What's good, kings and queens? Dylanthebank here, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about Coinbase, about opening an account on the exchange, and then also making a Coinbase wallet, which is separate from the exchange. So it's a more private and secure way to store your crypto funds. So to begin, let's go to the App Store. And I already looked it up. So you look up Coinbase, and you'll have two options right here. So you have Coinbase Exchange, buy and sell Bitcoin, and you have Coinbase Wallet. So I'll be going over those two. And then you have Coinbase Pro, but that one, leave it for another video. So if you click here, like a brief overview, you could buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, all these other cryptocurrencies. So let's go ahead and open it. So get started. I'm gonna put Dylanthebank. Let me go ahead and use this one. So after many failed attempts, I just fucking had to put that as a password. It would not fucking accept any password. So then we go check my inbox. Here you have it. Go ahead and verify and start. So now we're gonna secure. So now I won't be able to continue because I don't have another phone number to enter. But basically, it's very simple. You just follow the steps, and you have your Coinbase account set up. And once you do that, you verify your identity. You provide your ID, your passport, any legal documentation. Because whenever you sell Bitcoin for cash, they want to verify your identity, so you're not money laundering, not doing any illegal activities. So yeah, but it's a very simple process. Like literally, it's as easy as signing up for a Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You're just creating an account, but with an exchange. So the only extra step is they need to verify your identity. But this is only if you want to buy and sell cryptocurrency. All right, so next we have Coinbase Wallet. So Coinbase Exchange, and you can actually link them together if you wanted to, but basically they're separate. Coinbase Exchange is to buy and sell cryptocurrencies with cash, with your bank account, and Coinbase Wallet is only to receive and send, and it is not tied to an email address. Well, you'll see the process right now, but it's decentralized. It's like your own wallet, your own private wallet. Like, so there's going to be this 12-digit code that you cannot lose because that is the private key to your wallet. So let's go ahead and create a new wallet. Accept. We'll go ahead and put Dylanthebank 33. Go ahead and make it public. Face ID. And this is the important part. This is what you want to back up. And you're going to want to back up manually. You can do it to the iCloud, but it'll ask you for a password. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Copy it for 1 minute. So this 12-digit code is basically your key. So you do not want to lose this. It's very important because if somebody gets this 12-digit code, they'll be able to have access to your wallet. So you have to be very careful. All right, so now that you got it backed up, you're going to hit right here, back up now, and it's going to want you to put it back in order. So then we go right here, Blade Creek Elegant. Blade Creek Elegant. Taste Parrot Plate. Decade Kidney Jealous. Shoulder Moment Lecture. And simple as that. Now you're backed up, and now you have an account. You just created an account. Simple as that. So let me just do a quick overview. So if you want to get coins, you can buy. Like I said, you could link your Coinbase account, or you could transfer from somebody else. So like, if I wanted to receive like if you guys, I'm doing a promotion right now where if you guys subscribe to my new YouTube channel, like and comment my both videos, and soon this one, I'm giving away some free Litecoin, only because Litecoin has low fees. Like literally, it's basically like Dogecoin, like what everyone's saying with Dogecoin, that's able to be used as a currency. Litecoin is pretty much the same exact thing, except it has a hard cap, and it'll run out, as opposed to Dogecoin, it's unlimited. But so let's say you wanted to receive some Litecoin. Go ahead right here. So this is if you want to receive Litecoin. So then if I wanted to, so Legacy is the old one and Segwit is the new one. It's supposed to be fast, less fees and all that. So this is my username. I guess now you can share usernames. Like, they're making it easier so that you can just put my ad like Dylanthebank33. But traditionally, this would be the way that you would do it. It would be this long string of code that you would send, and then I would just copy it. And let's say I wanted to receive, oh no, let's say I wanted to send now from another wallet, from my Litecoin. Oh, it won't let me send. But that would be the address that you would click. And let's say I wanted to scan. Oh, look at my sick ass shoes. Let's say you wanted to scan somebody's QR code, or let's say you're paying in person. You can now, the person would pull up their QR code, you would just scan it, and voila, you transfer some Bitcoin very easily. If I want to show my QR code, let's do Litecoin. There you go. And right here, collectibles refers to NFTs. Right here, you can trade. So DEX is a decentralized exchange. So Coinbase exchange is a centralized exchange where they ask for all your verification, your info. Right here, it's decentralized. So you can literally, if you wanted to, without putting up more personal information, you could just start converting cryptocurrencies. The only thing you won't be able to do is cash out. Because once you cash out, the government wants to know who you are, and they want you to verify your identity. And right here, it also has a cool little browser for the decentralized applications. So for the decentralized web, eventually there's going to be websites that the regular web won't be able to access. There's going to be different extensions like .crypto. I already actually purchased my own domain on Unstoppable Domains, and it's going to be Dylanthebank.crypto. But I just need to set it up and all that. So look forward to that, and I'll even do like a video and all that too. But yeah, this is like, it has like an included browser for the Web 3.0. And then like the settings, the recovery phase, as I mentioned, is 12 words. If you have access to this code, you can like get my shit. So obviously I won't be using this account at all. Advanced settings. You can also change wallets. So there you go. Like, let's say I want to use this one, this one, this one, this one. You have multiple wallets because all your, like, let's say you're using Bitcoin or Litecoin, all your transactions are tracked on the public ledger. So by switching wallets and all that, it gives you a little bit more privacy and anonymity, which are one of the key components of cryptocurrency. Right here, you can see you could connect your Coinbase, app lock, if you want to put like Face ID, all that. And that's pretty much it. You can change your local currency. And that's the gist of Coinbase wallet. Now, if you guys want to support me, you can hit on my link tree. My @ is Dylanthebank on Instagram. I am in the process of moving my old link tree, as you can see here. So you'll see all my old links. And I'm trying to organize it better, just to have it more professional looking. But if you do want to sign up for the Coinbase exchange, here is my link. And we'll both get $10 after you invest like $100 in Coinbase. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. I nerd out about all this crypto stuff. Drop a comment, criticize me. I'm not afraid of it. Let me know what you think of this video. Take care, and till next time, have a good one.